Good evening, everyone. In this video, I'll perform the logic synthesis. Okay, so for the logic synthesis, I'm going to open the DC shell in the GUI mode. Okay, here it is opened. So in the DC shell, first I need to set up the libraries. So I'm going to add the library location here in the search path. So my Synopsys library is here, and I'm going to use the regular VT, and yeah, so this big folder, that is enough here. Alright, I'm going to choose here and yeah, select it. The second one, I had to link the libraries. First I need to delete this so it will not cause any kind of man functionalities. Alright, so in the RVT folder NLDA, I want to use the DB files, and here DB lib, all the files are here, so I need to make some arrangements. I can choose all the file once. Alright, so I'm going to do is press the shift and up. So I'm going to choose all the libraries. Maybe it will take longer time, so need to take some patience. And okay, control all, control insert, and for in the target library shift insert and apply it. Okay then, so our library is set. Now we have to analyze the article code. Here I am going to use the counter again, the simple. Alright, we'll try. We'll create new library if does not exist. Okay, already exists. Alright, doing something. What will happen? We'll try. Okay, loading the libraries. Previously I have done, that's why it did, and at that time forcefully I have stopped. So up to what extent the library has been analyzed, it will take those files. It's okay, but it will save our time. Otherwise it will take longer time. Alright. So after analyzing, uh, yeah, I had to read this. Okay, first I need to read this, and again the link this. So current design is this. Recently I'm going to see whether it is correct or not. Yeah, it is not synthesized right now, but I have the library. Once I have to link the library. Yeah, fine. Alright, so at that stage, if you want to give some constraints, so we can give here. Suppose specify the clock here. I can give the clock name, and period. I suppose I want 3. Duty cycle I want to give 1.5, and here 3. Likewise, I can provide. And whatever I have given, the script file will be made. Alright. So like that, but still for the time being I am going to use some script files. So I have made one script file for FTC, so I'm going to run directly, and synopsis constraint file is there. Okay, so I had to open it to see. Okay, first I need to close this, and again I'll try to open to see count dot FTC. Here you can see the clock period is 3, input delay is 1, and output delay is 1, latency is 1, source is 1, like that. Every major parameter it is defined here. Alright, so accordingly you can define by your own or accordingly your specification. Okay, I'm going to close it. Yeah, either I can use the source command here or directly I can use the execute script here. So I'm going to use the execute script. Okay, it's working or not. Let's check it in the log file. No, it's not working. So one thing we can do, we can copy those files. Okay, it's not easy. That's right. It's doing like that. Maybe in the next video I'll figure it out. And but right now I'm going to give it shift insert enter. So all the parameters has been set. Now I'm going to use the compile design. Okay, I'll try whether it's working or not. Let's see it again. Yeah, it's working. And here it's stop, so we'll see here. So like that, our work has been done for the logic synthesis. Alright, it will take some time, but still okay, yeah, this work is always time taken, so we need to consider. And yeah, meanwhile we can analyze other things, so we can also open another files or another tab for different kind of works. So yeah, cd ls and here. So previously we have done the VCS simulation function verification. So let's check it out whether it is that particular output file xyz. It's not opening. Somehow it is written in the non-readable format or binary format. Okay then. Alright. And apart from that, everything is clear, crystal clear. Okay. So yeah, everything is done. Compilation is done. So after compilation, let's check it out how our design is there. Analysis window. I also can see here, but still it's not showing here. Yeah, every small details are there. Okay, so it is replaced with the D flip-flop, inverter, buffer, everything is there. So likewise we can see. Okay then. Yeah. And if you want to know the power report and everything, and previously I want to say that suppose you want to specify the clock that previously I said, and if you want to give the drive strength, what are the particular drive strength of your, so you can choose any of the cell, you choose here. So yeah, so likewise you can give everything, multiplication factor and all the things, transition time here. And also you can give the optimization constraint like maximum area, dynamic power, leakage, likewise. So yeah, and here the design parameters, like if you want to use a scan flip-flop, so you want to insert it, so which type of scan flip-flop you want to insert, so here you can give some extra things. Alright, okay, somehow it's off. we'll see what is happened. So likewise we can do many things, and recently by forcefully the design is off. So yeah, this is the basically logic synthesis has been done, and we can see all the process has been completed, and we have used as much as less script files there. So there is another method of this thing. So in the next video, maybe it's possible, then I'll tell another perspective of these things. So yeah, here it is somehow malfunctioning, but still I'm trying to debug this. So if it is lengthy, then yeah, just try to avoid these things, or you can skip these parts. All right, start doing. And again I am loading the. Alright, I have to do it again. Someone's not seeing. Alright. Alright. I think ADK. Wrong file. That's good. Delete this. ADK. Yeah, link library. Delete this. Delete this. Add RVT. Previously I had chosen, and yeah, that's it. Type. Alright, there are many files. Shift up, enter. Okay, Control Alt, Control Insert, Control Alt, Shift Insert. Apply it. Okay, then. Directly we can read the file. We don't need to do any other thing. It is loading again. Yeah, I'm doing this twice. So basically it is not required, but somehow the design is pressed that side. But also we can give some another command here, like compile ultra we are going to use, and let's see what will happen. And we need yeah, import design timing. Maybe we can see escape file is here, but it no need to require this thing. And write execute script. This is not a script, but somehow a rename. Okay, I am doing some different thing. Maybe it is working. Let's try. Somehow, no. This is not the script. Yeah, but somehow something has been set. But still, we don't need to do it. Just do it manually as previously we have done. Open. Control All. Copy. Shift Insert. Enter. Right now everything is set, and we can do one thing. Suppose yeah, first compile ultra we have to do this. No auto ungroup, incremental, clock gating. Yeah, and also we can use retime, doing everything in one shot. Let's see what we have. this is time taken process, and it will take somehow 1 to 2 hours by doing these things. And before making this video, and I also practice a lot, and after I felt that I can do all the flows perfectly, then I have made this, but somehow still the errors has been there. So yeah, it is iterative process, so we can't say that only one shot we'll get the correct answer or correct flow. So yeah, it will take some time. So all right. So with this I am stopping here, and after it is done, then I'll continue again. All right, but somehow it is done. So first part, what I have mentioned, we can use that particular flow, and the last part only, I had to generate the reports, timing, QR, etc. Whatever I want. Okay, so right now I am stopping this video, and after that, the generation of the report file will be covered in the next video. Okay, bye.